Why do most people who earn good money still feel broke or never build real wealth? It's not your salary, it's your brain quietly sabotaging you with hidden psychological traps. Today, I'm exposing 7 of the most common money biases from behavioral psychology, straight from experts like Daniel Kahneman and Morgan Housel, that keep millions stuck. These aren't obvious mistakes, they're silent killers of wealth. By the end, you'll know exactly how to spot them in your own life and simple fixes to break free. This could be the video that finally changes your money game. Stay to the end for the deadliest one. Trap 1. Lifestyle creep. You get a raise and suddenly upgrade your car, house, or vacations. Your spending rises with your income, so you never actually get ahead. Fix. Live below your means on purpose. Save or invest the raise first before you even see it in your account. Trap 2. Social comparison. You see friends posting fancy trips or new gadgets on social media, and suddenly your perfectly good life feels not enough. This drives impulse spending to keep up. Fix. Remember, wealth is what you don't see. True rich people often live quietly. Curate your feeds and focus on your own goals. Trap 3. Present bias. Instant gratification. Your brain values rewards now way more than bigger rewards later. That's why you splurge on takeout or sales instead of investing. Fix. Use the 10-minute rule. Wait before any non-essential purchase, and automate savings so future you wins without thinking. Trap 4. Overconfidence. You think you can beat the market, time stocks perfectly, or start that sure thing side hustle. Most people lose money chasing this. Fix. Stay humble. Stick to simple, boring index funds. Reasonable returns over decades beat gambling every time. Trap 5. Loss aversion. Losing 100 pounds hurts twice as much as gaining 100 pounds feels good, so you hold losing investments too long or avoid risky saving altogether. Fix. Focus on the big picture. Set rules in advance, like rebalance yearly, and don't check accounts daily. Trap 6. Mental accounting. You treat money differently based on where it came from, blowing a bonus on fun while stressing over salary bills. Fix. Treat all money the same. One budget, one plan. Track everything in one place. Trap 7. The deadliest. Never knowing enough. No matter how much you earn, there's always someone richer, a bigger goal. Without an enough line, you'll chase forever and risk it all. Fix. Define your personal enough now. The lifestyle that makes you happy. Protect it fiercely. True wealth is freedom and peace, not endless more. These traps aren't about being dumb, they're hardwired human nature, but awareness is power. Which trap are you falling into right now? Tell me in the comments, let's talk about it. If you want more short, clever breakdowns of the brain tricks ruining your finances with easy fixes, subscribe and hit notifications. New video every week. Thanks for watching. Go fix one trap today and watch your wealth grow. See you next time.